A new era of design is upon us with 3D printing in architecture. This technology is changing the field dramatically. It allows architects to create models of their designs which are incredibly detailed and accurate. You see, these models help architects visualize their ideas in a physical form. Before the advent of 3D printing, models were painstakingly made by hand, a slow and costly process. Now, 3D printing is much faster and more affordable, making it easier for architects to experiment with different designs. 3D printing is a valuable tool for architects. It aids in communicating ideas to clients and also helps in refining designs. This technology is revolutionizing the way buildings are designed and constructed. It's becoming increasingly important as architects use it to create innovative and sustainable buildings. Indeed, 3D printing is changing the way we think about architecture. The power of tangibility is one of the key benefits of 3D printed models. These models are incredibly helpful for architects. They offer a way to see designs in 3 dimensions, aiding in the understanding of spatial qualities. Additionally, models are invaluable for communication. Architects can use them to explain designs to clients and contractors, which is far easier than relying solely on drawings. Another significant benefit is the speed at which these models can be created. 3D printing allows for rapid prototyping, enabling architects to quickly produce multiple iterations of a design. This capability allows for experimentation with different ideas and more effective refinement of designs. 3D printed models are also highly accurate, which is crucial for ensuring that the final building is constructed correctly. Overall, 3D printing is a valuable tool for architects who aim to enhance the design process. Let's explore some case studies showcasing 3D printing in action. This technology is already being used to create innovative buildings. Take, for instance, the 3D printed office building in Dubai. This building was printed in sections and then assembled on site. Another fascinating example is the 3D printed pedestrian bridge in Amsterdam, printed using a robotic arm. This method is a more sustainable way to construct a bridge. These are just a few examples of the many ways 3D printing is being utilized in architecture. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and sustainable buildings created using 3D printing. Beyond imagination, 3D printing allows architects to push boundaries with complex geometry. This technology enables the creation of shapes and forms that would be difficult or even impossible to achieve using traditional construction methods. This opens up a world of new possibilities for architectural design. Architects are no longer constrained by traditional building materials. They can now design buildings with curved walls, organic shapes, and intricate details. This newfound freedom fosters greater creativity in the design process. 3D printing allows architects to create buildings that are both beautiful and functional. It is a powerful tool that is fundamentally changing the way we think about architecture. Section 5. Material Revolution: Exploring New Frontiers in Construction. You know, 3D printing is not just about creating new shapes, it's also about using new materials. Architects can now print with concrete, plastic, metal, and even wood. This is leading to the development of new and innovative building materials. For example, some companies are now 3D printing buildings using recycled plastic. This is a more sustainable way to build. 3D printing is also being used to create buildings that are more energy efficient. For example, some companies are 3D printing walls with built-in insulation. This helps to reduce energy consumption. Section 6. Enter AI, a new partner in architectural design. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is another technology that is transforming architecture. AI can be used to generate design ideas, optimize building performance, and even automate construction tasks. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including site information, environmental factors, and building codes, to generate design options that meet specific criteria. This can help architects explore a wider range of design possibilities and make more informed decisions. AI can also be used to create buildings that are more responsive to their surroundings. For example, AI can design buildings that adjust their shape or orientation to maximize natural light or minimize solar heat gain. Section 7. The symbiotic duo AI and 3D printing reshaping architecture. The combination of AI and 3D printing has the potential to revolutionize architecture. AI can design complex and optimized structures, while 3D printing can bring those designs to life. This synergy allows for the creation of highly customized and efficient buildings that meet specific needs and constraints. AI can analyze data to optimize structural performance, while 3D printing allows for the creation of intricate and lightweight designs. This combination of technologies is also pushing the boundaries of sustainability in architecture. AI can design buildings that minimize material waste, while 3D printing allows for the use of recycled and sustainable materials. Section 8, a glimpse into the future, predictions and possibilities. In the future, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of 3D printing and AI in architecture. For example, 3D printing could be used to create buildings on other planets. AI could design buildings that can adapt to changing environmental conditions. We can also expect to see these technologies become more affordable and accessible. This will allow more architects to use them to create innovative and sustainable buildings. The future of architecture is exciting, and 3D printing and AI will play a major role in shaping it. These technologies have the potential to address some of the biggest challenges facing the construction industry, including sustainability, affordability, and efficiency. The possibilities are limitless. Section 9, Conclusion. Towards a smarter and more sustainable built environment, 3D printing and AI are transforming the field of architecture. These technologies are enabling architects to design and build buildings in ways that were once unimaginable. From complex geometries to sustainable materials, the possibilities are endless. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and transformative applications in the built environment. The future of architecture is exciting, and it is being shaped by the power of 3D printing and AI. These technologies offer a path towards a smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable future for the built environment, one layer of innovation at a time.